And now the vacuum is returning to its starting position. If you have the vacuum set to run on a schedule, it will complete the vacuum job and it will reconnect to the charging station and begin charging. This vacuum is also capable of detecting stairs, so if you want it to vacuum an upstairs area, it will not fall down or go down the stairs. It has cameras and sensors that prevent it from doing so. Also, one thing to note about this vacuum is that it really does a great job. CNET rated this as their top pick for robotic vacuums. However, there are areas that this vacuum can't get in some of the tight spaces, and that's where using hose attachments on your standard vacuum will apply, or even using slim vacuums to get in those tight spaces. But this vacuum definitely does 80 to 90% of the work for you, and so it's definitely a great investment if you want to mitigate your time vacuuming and keep your house cleaner.